Now that you've entered your reminders, take a few minutes right after school each day to enter your assignments. Or better yet, enter them throughout the day using one of Alta Ipsum's apps. Again, this short process is extremely important because it gets your brain actively engaged in knowing everything you have to do so you don't procrastinate. Many students say they love this activity since teachers often use different ways to assign work: the school web portal, Google Classroom, or simply announcing assignments at the end of class. With Alta Ipsum, in just a few minutes you can put all that work in one place, take control of it, and make it your own. And you get 5 points every time you enter an assignment. Once you have entered all your assignments, you can see in the week view of the planner that Alta Ipsum has scheduled plans for you to do your work. With the Spanish quiz on Friday, Alta Ipsum has created nightly study plans because your brain learns and retains material much better if you study 15 minutes each night instead of cramming on Thursday. You can use the timer to keep yourself focused, and you get 5 points each time you complete a plan. With the history essay and the biology project, you can see that Alta Ipsum has divided these larger assignments into manageable pieces that you can customize. Essay writing is much easier, less stressful, and produces a better product if you split the work over time. I can brainstorm and outline my ideas tonight, but I'd rather work on the rough draft on Saturday. Notice the plan to work on the final draft is scheduled for 2 days before it is due. That way you can bring it in, show the teacher, and get some feedback with time to put a final polish on it. The biology project isn't due for 4 weeks, but the sooner you get started on it, the better. How well you do is always determined by the work you put in at the front end. The plans look pretty good right now, but you can always come back and adjust them after you get some work done. Back to the week view of the planner, I will work on my rough draft from 11 to 12 on Saturday morning. That will leave me feeling really good for the rest of the day. Now that my work is planned out, it's not sitting in the back of my head causing me stress. I feel in control, knowing that I just need to follow my plans. Now I can sit down, focus, and get my work done.